Hello, this is the free merchandise lady. Welcome to my channel. I want to tell you about a great site that I've been using for a couple of years. It's called Brandon Surveys. And the one thing that I love about doing surveys, you could take a little bit of your time and get extra money or get these great gift cards where you can get all the things you love and want. I begin a lot of things, and you continue to look at the free merchandise later. You'll see all the wonderful things that I get. Currently, I'm working on an Amazon gift card. This is what I choose mostly when I get gift cards or get free items. I love Amazon. Most of us, I think, love that. Or the second thing I usually choose is the PayPal gift card if you want to get cash. It's free to sign up with PayPal and to get that money across without giving all your personal information. You could also do direct banking, transfer it that way. And then they said, look, top gift card is Amazon. Of course. Most popular is the money, PayPal. Top gift card, Amazon. I believe it. These are a list of all things from charity to getting clothes, shoes, and the list go on and on about the things that you could get. Look at that. Apple Music, Applebee's, AutoZone, Bass Pro. My husband love fishing. I like fishing. What a great way. You do a couple of surveys, and guess what? You got some fishing equipment for your husband. What a great way. Um, Also, let's see. Bed Bath and Beyond. Look at this. Look at this. Chili's. They just go on and on. Domino's Pizza, DoorDash. Like I said, the surveys are real short and it don't take too much of your time. Take a little bit of time because this will actually save you money. You can keep your money where it need to be and do these surveys and get these items. Get what you want. It's about you. Like I said, it's free to join. Take a little bit of your time, do the surveys, get what you want. Simple. Simple as that. And look at all these things they have. IHOP, JC Penney, Krispy Kreme. If you have a Krispy Kreme in your area, love the donuts. Oh, what a great way. Lowe's, Macy's. Look, NFL shop. You could. My husband love football. What a great way! I could do these surveys and get him a wonderful gift. He wouldn't know the difference. All he see is a wonderful gift. All I know, I didn't spend the money. I took some time and did these surveys. Look at all the listing here. I mean, look at Starbucks. Get your coffee for free. I would definitely do that because you look at the prices, how much Starbucks coffee costs. TJ Maxx, Home Depot, Uber Eats. Look at that. You get your ride with Uber, then turn around and get Uber Eats. Get that meal when you get home. Woo! Just doing a little bit of your time. Walmart. Look at that. Whole Foods, Wayfair. You need to check out my Whole Foods video. I got a Whole Foods video where I got my Amazon. I did it through Amazon gift cards, which Amazon own Whole Foods, and got free grocery with Whole Foods. You need to check out. Go on the hashtag free merchandise lady. Check out that video. Free grocery, free delivery. Yes, yes. You need to check that out. Check this out. Do the survey. Say short. The link is below. Get started. I'm going back so you can look at the name slowly. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Like I said, the link is below. Get started. Because you nothing you doing but saving and making money. That's what it's about. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time.